I've been up the hill. I've seen the promised land. I'm not gonna let you and your other Moses here. Other Moses. Not the Moses. The Moses that won't see Canaan. I want the Moses that will see Canaan. Saying Elboni Canaan. Yeah. I've been up the hill, bro. I've seen the promised land. Even if they take me out now. One to go. Even if I don't live to see the glory of the coming of the Lord. I'm dope. It's made by someone else. I can't make a beat to save my day. Have you stayed in downtown Joburg before?
No.
You would know the cats if you stayed.
Hey, bro, me and too young, bro. I'm the same age as this guy.
Now, how old are you?
I'm turning 22 though.
Yeah, you're all toddlers. You're all toddlers.
What's 22 ne?
Yeah, I'm 23.
What's 23 this year?
Yeah.
How is it like to be 23?
It feels like shit if you're broke.
Okay, but in general, my mindset wise, because it's been a long time since I was 23.
Nah, but we've got dreams and we're dreaming at the same time, so.
But don't you at some days feel
It's
like
easy if you've got guys like going in the same direction as you.
don't you feel sometimes like okay now I can't be as patient as a 23-year-old, so I need to throw this shit, the kitchen sink at this home. Because at 23, I was writing books, I was writing things, like the concepts I'm working on now. Probably at 23 they're already there. The people's gangster, truly put all those concepts were born already. At that time, there was no technology and otherwise, but I was working hard. Right? YouTube, I figured it out then. I want to YouTube. So if I threw the kitchen sink in, like I put a rope here to say you do now or never, I would be far. But now, when I'm looking at you, I feel that's why one man saying I'm chica most of the time. I feel like you're gonna be 33 one day and wish that 10 you've done something in that 10-year period or 5-year period. Because the next thing is gonna make a baby. You're gonna make a baby, and that's a fucking empal, bro. You did. So if you don't do it at 24, that's why I keep telling people 2021 and 2022 are the last years for you, because all these kids will be doing music, they'll be making beats, I'm a phone, not out. New trends will be born. So these are the 2 years. So I'm begging you, bro. Yo, I'm begging you, like, fucking throw the kitchen sink now. You have nothing to lose. Getting dead, like fucking getting dead, like up to here. You'll be out of debt in 3 years because the debt will be cancelled anyway. Get a fucking car, get bro, run. So we have to think like these fucking bitches. We can't be going to Instagram and stalking them and people that charge 25k for a fucking post, 20k for a fucking post just to tweet, bro. Why are they fucking running away and we when we just
Dude, let's record.
No, I got you, dog. I'm just trying to pump some new blood.
Yeah.
Konje ke ringi. Itlogel. I can see what get mara. I'll say something. Hey. I didn't say nothing, but leave that intro.
That one.
Yo, this beat goes fast, man. Yo, Bansi Wakai. Bansi Wakai. Hey. Banse ba komolechi le rama semola ka o batamela ka bane wa telela. Banse ba komolechi le rama semola ka o batamela ka bane wa telela. Banse ba komolechi le rama semola ka o batamela ka bane wa telela. Banse ba komolechi le rama semola ka o batamela ka bane wa telela. Your things are loud, man. These things are too loud.
Shit, dog.
Your things are loud, there.
Let's do it again.
Yeah, for the one.
I need to wear one, Crenshaw.
Yeah.
Oh. I need a cameraman too, cause
Moses, camera.
I think I got it. You just have to make sure I'm in the frame.
Hey, bro, when you scream at my shit, dog, man.
Can you raise me up, bro? You don't know how when I always have to remind you of that shit. What type of music director are
You
you?
know that song?
What's in it?
Raise me up.
Josh Groban. You should know that song. You 23, for real.
You raise me up.
So what are you saying? I'm too loud.
No, like if you gotta record like a normal one. So
Then
if you
people
wanna,
can catch after him.
no, like we record a normal one. Then now Russell play better velo whatever.
I'm not gonna
Slice cake.
I'm not gonna have a support.
Cake na delay brak. Okay, let's record.
Keke. What we got the keke, bro? We got Malachi, the Ramasamo. No one like the cake. Why didn't you the cake? Malachi, the Ramasamo. Ah, dick. Hey. Bruh. Why am I always early? Damn it. Maybe I need a cue. Just stretch your wave there. Keep on going sharp. Because sometimes I need to look there to see what. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, man, Macy, man, you're killing my mic. If you wanna make noise, make noise. But now we're not making noise. I need a clean one.
Okay. Sorry. Man.
Give it like rain. Banse normal.
Okay.
Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola ba go batamela ka bani.
Mara wa record ka no mkhono.
No, I'm not recording.
We make sure ke composed. Akuna nako, bro. Akuna nako wa composed, bro. Yo. Banse ba khole. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ba bani. Are thomega. Why in bed, papa? Don't I need you to cue me?
Banse ba ba.
Okay.
Ba. Banse ba.
Ke maputo banse. Mara main focus go gore banse ba kae gape.
Molechi le ga masemola.
Banse ba ko molechi. Let me see the wave when I start recording. Yeah, please, bro. We're going to be here for 10 hours. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela.
Thank you.
Mara te no ntebele ga gona go gare ga senya ke le ke.
No. Instagram pictures. No, kinya ko yo kombrawa wa. Anka ile ka ro mahlanyana.
Moses rola dieta, moshe rola dieta. Ke tlo ga gata meno.
Moses so no va ka over Moses.
What do you want? The louder one.
Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola.
Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela.
Perfect.
There's nothing perfect about that tape.
It's a backup. It's backing up. This why
Because he knows how to effect things, he thinks everything. Nah, bro. If it didn't sound right, it didn't sound right. But okay, let's keep going. Checking time. I'm trying to be punctual these days, bro. I'm trying to be
6 minutes left.
6
So
minutes
long
left.
you're gonna copy.
No. I'm just doing the hook. No. You keep telling me what to add, and I add, and we're done.
Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola ka go batamela ka bane wa telela. Banse ba ko molechi le ga masemola.
Yeah, you think it's your song because you gave me the cue of how to go. So It's my song still, bro. Now watch.
So that's why.
Impetile, that's your song. Backhouse, don't go. Yeah.
I'll go and get into
Nemesis. Odira. Ngishaga. Eba. Gisha kholetima. Banze wa komolechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela banze wa komolechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela banze wa komolechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela banze wa komolechi le ga masemola nka go batamela ga bane wa telela. Learn some petty, bro. There's no French.
Shit.
There's no French in this world when it's petty, bro.
I'm fine, I don't hear shit.
It's like saying they know me in Mhlabuya Lingana, they know me in Kandla.
Banseba.
In Mut, yeah.
Okay.
Banseba means me.
Komolechi, it's a place.
Oh, that's a place.
Hamasemola, it's a place.
It's a place.
Yeah.
Me, I thought maybe it was like some family.
So bayangazi mlazi bayangazi.
Okay. Now I get it. Okay. I'll
Ngakusondela.
Oh, Sunday.
Kabo batamela, kabo no watelela, watelela.
Oh, Sunday. Okay, like full of shit. Thanks for the translation.
What else, nigga? At 5 minutes time, keep. Because usenyaga woko, maybe you go record a feature. And I'm still going far. I'm still going to Ruhr Report.
Yeah.
Still going far, bro. From there, I'm coming back to Joburg and going to for my sleep to eat worms quick and early. But Moses, bro, I'm serious, bro. Y'all niggas, come on, bro. It's your talent. Bro. I mean, I don't have talent. I don't have talent, zero. All I have now is tactics. You know, there's that thing called art of war. And I've got my own art of war going. It's only tactics. Nina, yo niggas. Still have time to comb your hair, dread your hair properly, put oil on your beard and shit.
3 minutes to go.
No, 8.
That's 8.
Bro.
You think I can mix that song in like 3 minutes?
No, 8.
8.
Yeah, I'm gonna add lips of it. When I look at people your age, 20 something, my heart bleeds. Like so much potential. Like it's when we go further down, it's even worse. Because the drivers are different.
Yeah.
The drivers are different. They're faster, they know much, but sex, drugs, alcohol, sleep. Those are the fucking scums to them. Like we have these dangerous pandemics, or what you might call them, viruses, sex, drugs, alcohol, sleep, and now you have, and the food obviously, and now you have your own powers. Now they collide every day within your system. It's a big war. That's like a battle between good and evil.
Yeah.
In one vessel. And you. So if you don't know how to meditate, it's Jewish kids and these Muslim kids and Indian kids. When I watch the boys, they come out of someone's yard in a group, they go home. See, they center their chakra life. But a boy child, a black boy child, a black girl. You never even see these white, I mean, they are girls on the street. With titties and shit, and it's nothing. So they now that battle that we go through it in they go through it in a lesser way because they're almost sensitive. But it helps them to mature through the phases of life and be at a position where now they can battle with all the armory that is needed. Because when you are dealt the wrong and right path, you know strongly and you're able to resist and restrain yourself. But if you vitiza yourself, it's the same motion. Because you couldn't win those battles. Problem.
Word.
Because at the end of the day, you have to grow to be a leader. In every sector you will be, you have to grow to be a leader. And those kids are just raised to be leaders. That's why our black key cats who play rugby and cricket, Kagiso Rabada, all those boys that came from those schools, you can see how they have that mindset. They go on to go. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. 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 Sound lame. Whatever you Banzi wakomuleki.
Nice, sounds nice.
It's eating my voice.
No.
Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela.
Teen, le planning there in.
Many dog.
I have it, ne?
Deep, yeah.
I should
Is
check
it not
it out.
native to Fruity Loops?
Banzi wakomuleki, lera masemola.
Gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, lera masemola. Gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, lera masemola. Gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, lera masemola. Gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, 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 gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki. I'm gonna finish your Coca-Cola, man. Nigga. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. 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 Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. 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 Road signs to Malay. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. It needs headphones. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wakomuleki, ela masemola, gaobatamela, abani watelela. Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela Lechi Irama semula Banzi wa telela Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela Banzi wa komulechi Irama semula Karuba tamela Abani wa telela